Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. We are back with a special walkthrough Wednesday. Today I am here with Leah with ICI,
Hi.
and Leah is going to be walking us through a beautiful home. So Leah, please tell us where we're at today.
So we are in Seabrook Village 2. And we wanted to show you today what we have to offer. We have 7 opportunities left in Seabrook Village, and this is one of the floor plans that we will be building and coming soon, or it could be one of your choices.
Okay, awesome. I cannot believe that you guys are down to 7 homes by ICI. And just Nocatee or Seabrook Village?
That's all we have remaining. 7
Okay,
opportunities in Seabrook Village. Everything else, we are sold out.
okay.
But this home, like I said, it's a very popular plan. It's about 2,700 square feet,
Okay.
4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, with a bonus room upstairs, and also with a flex space down here where you can convert it into an office, or you can leave it open, or actually convert it into a 5th bedroom with a full bathroom.
Fantastic. And this is the Santa Cruz, is that
This is the
correct?
Santa Cruz floor plan.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, so in this one specifically, we have added 12-foot ceilings, 10-foot slider. It gives you the pretty windows in the dining room, and we have upgraded quite a few in this specific home.
Yeah.
But like I said, you can either build it your way, or we can wait for the one that's coming up soon.
Awesome. Yeah, the floor plan in itself is beautiful, which is kind of what we're doing here today. Is just giving you guys an idea of this floor plan and exactly what you could be in at some point. This specific one is not available, but just wanted to show you this. Lots of windows in this home, which I'm sure is probably pretty consistent with the floor plan just in general.
That is correct. Because it has 12-foot ceilings in the master bedroom, it gives you an extra row of windows.
Beautiful. It feels so luxurious too, like this entire home does. Love this bathroom, tons of storage here in the bathroom, lots of mirrors, lots of mirror view.
Yes, and it leads you into your walk-in closet.
That's nice.
And from there, we've added the option to add a door between the primary closet and the laundry room.
Awesome. Love a connector like this. This is a beautiful laundry room. I know obviously this one specifically is probably an upgrade, but definitely beautiful, and I love that it walks right through.
It is. This one can show you the different ways we could do your laundry room. We could do stackable washer dryer. We could do the original version.
This super, super tall lanai. Oh my goodness.
It is also 12-foot ceilings. We added a screen lanai.
Love it.
Like I said, we have the 10-foot sliders, and then you have a pretty big size backyard, enough room for a pool, and that's how most of these lots will be.
Fantastic. And Seabrook Village, just in general, just so the viewers are aware, is about 77% sold out. Nocatee itself is 98% sold out. So if you have been considering buying a new construction home here in Nocatee, you certainly are not going to want to wait because they're not going to last too long. And of course, being a Nocatee resident, you've got access to Seabrook Village, or excuse me, Seabrook Park, which is just steps away from this home. And you've also got access to all the water parks and the other great amenities here within the community.
Yep, and also you are now close to the other access to the golf cart path.
Oh, yeah.
So from actually Reflections, it takes me about 7 minutes to get to the water parks.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that Greenway connection is truly such a blessing.
So up here you have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Actually, one is an ensuite.
Awesome.
So it could be a guest room. It could be, somebody that wants that privacy for
Your
themselves.
favorite child?
I didn't want to say that, but
I love the room that we're looking at right now too. It feels like you could do it as a study, as a bedroom, as a guest room. There's lots of different options in there.
there is. And also up here, we have access to the balcony from the game room.
All right, fantastic.
This house does have different options. You can have a balcony, or if you wish not to have one, there's an option for that too.
Yeah, this area, this loft area, or whatever we're calling it here, is really nice. I mean, you could do it as, like you said, a game room, a playroom, an office. I mean, there's lots of different things.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it, like I said, the balcony does not take room from the game room.
Yeah.
So it walks you right out into there. You know, if you want to just come out and sit here and people watch, or you want to just relax, it's doable.
Oh, I love this balcony. And it's like really nice out today, so it's like works out perfectly because it's not too hot. This is great for like your evening glass of wine, your morning coffee. I mean, this is just perfect. If you have your guests staying, this is a great place for them to come out and hang out and enjoy the view.
Yes, it is.
So, all right, Leah, well, please remind the viewers where we are at today and how they can get in contact
Seabrook
with
Village,
you.
Phase 2. Like I said, you can find me in Reflections. That's where I sit right now. Or you can give me a call, and I'll meet with you anywhere you want me to meet.
Awesome. Well, thank you so
All right,
much.
thank you.
If you are interested in the Santa Cruz or one of the Santa Cruz that they have available, you definitely want to reach out to Leah. But we hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.